Anyways, welcome back to the channel. Right now it is Thursday, so that means we're driving the Auto Beast up to Melbourne to head to Keeper Eat Thursday Night Drifts for Easter. I just tinted the headlights yellow because it looks really good. But nah, it actually looks pretty good. Probably gonna get defected. There's a car coming, so I'll continue in a second. Comment below which time in the video I'm gonna get defected on the way up. So I bet you I will. It's almost guaranteed. I've been up to Calder, I've driven this to Calder twice, not drifting, just driven it up to Spectate, and got defected twice. Well, once, and the second time I got let off, but not why it's been looking like this low and stuff. So yes. How long do you reckon?
20 minutes.
20 minutes into the video? Or
20 minutes into the drive.
20 minutes into the drive, we'll see what happens. Also, my rack is leaking really bad. I don't know what's going on down there. It's a lot of oil. I'll try to zoom on that. Oof. Subframe's cracked. Oil dripping from the rack. Hopefully it lasts. Worst case, our plan is, if this breaks at Calder, jump in that, drive back to Geelong, grab the car, grab the trailer, go get this. Let's hope not, eh?
I hope not.
That's gonna suck. But look, it's better than just burning the car on the highway, I guess. Yeah, so we're just adjusting alignment at the moment. Done 100 on the highway. I was just sketchy as hell. That left side was like way too much toe out. So just tone in a bit, and I should fix it. What in the... We're out here at Calder Park. Car's all screwed. No roll cage sticker, which is sad, but that's what you get when you have no roll cage, eh? Yep. Hey, Shani. What are you doing? Well, what am I doing, mate?
Getting the car warmed up.
Getting it warmed up. About to go on track. I'll switch to GoPro in a second. You just can watch me on the helmet cam. Struggle to drive this, but it'll be fun. Oh. Yeah, not too sure if you can hear me. About to go out. Let's see how it goes. Got my auto first gear lock on. I don't know if you see that.
to celebrate that we've had to make this show twice as long. So join me 7 p.m. Monday to Thursday or anytime on the Triple J app. Abby and Tyrone, what are you doing on Triple J?
We're a couple hours in, done 2 sets now, and I've hit the wall twice. First one was good, second one ripped off the spoiler. I'll see if I can get a clip. And broke tail light. I'm gonna drive this home, but it's fine. But yeah, done 2 sets already on our last set. We're about to go out soon again on that. I put a new battery in the GoPro so they can keep watching. No, anyways. It's the end of the night now. That's about it for the video, eh? Good night. Time to drive the car home. If the video doesn't end here, that means I've got defected. So, just a little bit of damage from a wall tap. Spoilers in the back of the car. That's about all the damage, I reckon. Other than that, roll damage. Yeah, nah. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. See you later.